VIP Notes is a top-rated note-taking application for Android that enables users to create, organize, and manage their notes efficiently. Designed with a focus on simplicity and functionality, the app allows users to jot down ideas, to-do lists, reminders, and important information quickly. One of its standout features is the ability to secure notes with passwords or encryption, ensuring that sensitive information remains private. VIP Notes often includes options for organizing notes into folders, using tags, and easily searching through content to find specific entries. Additionally, the app may offer features such as voice recording, integration with calendars for reminders, and the ability to sync notes across devices. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for everyone, from students and professionals to anyone looking for a reliable way to keep track of their thoughts and tasks. Overall, VIP Notes serves as an essential tool for enhancing productivity and staying organized on Android devices.